The Jaguar E-Type, also known as the XKE, is a British sports car that was manufactured by Jaguar Cars Limited between 1961 and 1975. This iconic automobile is often regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made and has been praised for its unique design, performance, and handling. However, despite its many positive aspects, there are also some cons to owning a Jaguar E-Type. One of the most significant pros of the Jaguar E-Type is its timeless design. The car's sleek lines, smooth curves, and overall elegant appearance have captured the hearts of many car enthusiasts for decades. Its distinctive shape has influenced various designs in modern automobiles even today. Another significant advantage of this sports car is its performance capabilities. The E-Type was initially introduced with a 3.8-liter inline-six engine that produced around 265 horsepower, which allowed it to reach impressive top speeds for its time, approximately 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour. Later models came with an even more powerful engine, a 5.3-liter V12 producing around 272 horsepower, which further enhanced performance. The handling abilities of the Jaguar E-Type are another pro worth mentioning. It was equipped with four-wheel disc brakes that provided excellent stopping power and an advanced independent rear suspension system that improved ride comfort while still providing agile cornering capabilities. However, one significant con associated with owning a classic like this is maintenance cost. Because these vehicles are no longer in production, their parts can be harder to find or more expensive when compared to common modern-day cars, making repairs costly when necessary. Another con would be less than optimal fuel efficiency. While not necessarily relevant during the era it was launched, in current times where fuel prices continue rising significantly, making older vehicles such as this one not economical when compared to newer alternatives designed specifically for higher mileage per gallon, (mpg). Given advances in automotive safety technology over years since E-Type's release, prospective owners should consider how outdated safety features could contribute to an accident involving modern cars. This should be taken into account, particularly if intending to use this car as an everyday driver. Last but not least, considering the high cost associated with purchasing a Jaguar E-Type, especially well-maintained or restored models, it is not affordable for many car enthusiasts who may dream of owning one. In conclusion, the Jaguar E-Type has undoubtedly earned its status as a classic and iconic sports car with its stunning design, impressive performance, and handling abilities. However, prospective owners must also carefully consider cons like maintenance costs, fuel efficiency concerns due to age, and outdated safety features before committing to ownership. Despite these drawbacks, though, for those who can afford time and money required to maintain this automotive work of art, the rewards outweigh downsides. It offers unique driving experience that simply cannot be replicated by most modern vehicles today.